Hi, this is Tyler West in Lincoln, California. Tucked away on a peaceful circle with only one way in, 249 Mariner Circle offers the kind of calm that's hard to find. This 3 to 4 bedroom, 2 bath home spans just over 1,900 square feet and combines modern updates with everyday ease. A 10.4 kilowatt solar system, newer laminate flooring, and a large functional kitchen with a sunny breakfast nook. The living room includes an installed speaker system ready for movie nights and entertaining. Off the main living area, a sunlit den offers the perfect spot for an office, playroom, or use as an extra bedroom. The primary suite feels like a retreat, with backyard access, a walk-in closet, and a soaking tub separate from the shower. Energy efficiency shines throughout, with a whole house fan that keeps things cool on warm summer nights. Outside, garden boxes and a chicken coop for up to 5 chickens invite you to live simply and sustainably. Fresh eggs in the morning, veggies in the evening, and cozy nights by the gas fireplace. With the refrigerator, washer, and dryer included, this home is truly move-in ready, a place where comfort, character, and convenience come together beautifully. Please call or text at the number provided if you or somebody that you know would like to book a private tour of this property.